So guys, today we're back here again. Got another troubleshooting project. Let's get straight into it. There's a major problem here at OSPF. It's been configured but not working. Find out why and fix. So first I'm going to start by checking the PCs, make sure everything's configured correctly on our PCs. 0/24 network. Yep, those two PCs look good. One, 40, 20, 30. Okay. Everything looks good so far with our PCs. Today. Now we're gonna get right into checking if our OSPF is set up correctly. So let's go in here, just enable. Now do a show run, show our running configurations. Let's see what problems we have here. Everything looks to be set up fine. Looks to be okay there. Everything looks to be okay here. Let's check our second router. Gonna do the same thing, do a show run. Let's show our running configuration. I already see an issue. We have the same router ID for our OSPF, which can cause collision. So I'm gonna have to switch one of them around. And I also see some other issues here with the OSPF and how it's set up. That this network right here that belongs to area 0 is configured wrong, configured incorrectly. So we're gonna get that fixed as well. Let's see here as well. And I can also see that with our interface serial, it has the wrong subnet mask. It needs to be in /30 and it's in the /24 network. So we need to switch that around as well. So let's get those fixed real quick. And really all I'm going to do is I'm really just going to reset the whole OSPF. I'm just going to reset the whole OSPF, guys. No, actually, I'm going to keep this one router. I'm just going to keep this. I'm going to keep this as 1.1.1. I'm going to keep this router ID. I'm going to go into the serial though. Go configuration mode. And it says 0/. And then I'm going to do no. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this command here. And then I'm just going to hit the up arrow key. Up arrow key again. Two. And then I'm going to take away the no part. And then it should be configured correctly there. And then now I'm going to enter router OSPF mode, or router OSPF 1. And then I'm going to enter our router ID. Actually, I'm going to exit. I'm going to go back and I'm going to... No. Actually, I'm going to stay in router OSPF 1. I'm going to enter our router ID because I'm keeping it the same. I want to enter a no command. I'm going to do the exact same thing here that I did for the interface. I'm going to copy this command, paste it here so we can delete that network, and then reset it, hitting the up arrow. And it's supposed to be .3 for our wildcard mask. And the way we get our wildcard mask is that it's basically the opposite of the subnet mask. All you do is just subtract them by 255. Each subnet, you subtract them by 255. So since it was 252 here for the subnet mask, we took 252 from 255, and we got 3. So that's how we got our wildcard mask for that one. So let's go ahead and take that away. No network. And everything else should be good. Everything else looks good. Configured correctly. Checking all of that. And then here, I want to go to area 0. I'm just going to delete the whole OSPF. So I'm just going to config T, no router, OSPF 1. And then I want to set it up again. But first, before I set it up, I'm going to go check this router and make sure everything's configured correctly on this router as well. So I'm going to enable, and I'm going to do show run. I can already see an issue already. Our network is supposed to be .0 because it's the overall network and not just a single IP. And then we also need to fix our wildcard mask here. And then as well as that, we also need to fix our IP OSPF message digest key. It's supposed to be Cisco 123, Cisco 0. So first I'm going to go in and I want to fix that. That's 0/1/0. And then I'm going to do no command. I want to do what I usually do, just copy that command and then go ahead and delete it. I want to go to this other router. I want to copy this command. Copy this command. And then I'm going to add it there, which that should fix that issue. And then now I'm going to enter OSPF mode. Router OSPF. OSPF 1. ID. So yeah. Sorry for that interruption, guys. All right. Now we're going to OSPF 1. And then we're going to fix our issues with our OSPF. So we're going to do no command. Then we're going to delete this right here. So we're going to copy that network, paste it here. And then we're just going to hit the up arrow. We're going to change to .3 and to .0. And then we're going to put the no, take that no away. Then that should resolve our issue there. So we fixed that. And then we can just do show run to verify that everything is done correctly. That is changed. Everything is changed. Everything looks fine. So let's check our router here. Let's go ahead and set up our OSPF. Router OSPF 1. And then make our router ID 1.1.1. I mean, no, the same. 3.3.3.3. And then we're going to do copy and paste our networks. So I'm just going to go to this one and just copy and paste this right here. I'm going to go to this one and copy and paste this network right here. Oh, I just made a mistake. I'm going to fix that. Do the no command. I copy and paste the wrong network. I forgot I did not do show run on the router 2. So I'm just going to fix that really quickly. 3. Oh. And then I'm just going to just change it right here. OSPF should be configured just fine. Now let's see. Let's end. And then show IP route, which just shows all the routes that our packets will take. Show IP route. And our OSPF look like it's configured on our devices. So let's ping. Man prompt ping. Let's ping to the other area. Let's ping to the other area. Let's ping to the other area. Let's ping 192.168.30.10. Let's ping there. And it's gonna fail the first time because trying to make sure that it gets everything. And yep, there you have it, guys. It's ping .40. 40 network. Hey up, guys, that should be it for our troubleshooting project. So, thank you guys. And that will be uploaded very shortly.